So from a person who cares in New York said 7,500, you know, for you.
I have this more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
I feel it is tougher than this. As I can see.
It's soft now.
Soft now.
Yo! Will from Canada. Blessed love, you know, peace and love.
Why did not come to
So that's how we do it.
So guys, to give you an update now on the Blind Brothers, yeah, cause Orlando called me last night when he was leaving there. Literally there. So what's that? A two different color chicken here, but what go on? One band different?
Egg bowl and one without. No, you know, so true. It's not a mistake or a beef steak, you know. We do something wrong.
So, you're going to fix that Italian?
Oh, you're going to fix that?
Make it ketchup color.
Oh, make it brown.
Yeah, brown it up.
No.
He is a really great father, and I love him so much.
Oh, yes. Got 50 Canadian from Enorita.
Thanks in Enorita. Why your name so nice? We come like me can't even pronounce it so good.
Alright, so Unknown. This is $40,000 year dollar towards a project from Unknown from the UK.
Thanks again, Unknown.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. I me try so hard and want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Father for the year! Oh, go on!
Hello, Shannon. High five.
There, man. How was the back to school tree?
It was nice,
You had fun? Good, you had fun.
even though I had a fear of tight spaces.
Tight spaces, right? There's a lot of people was there, right? Yeah. Father for the year!
Yeah, manners and respect, you know.
Yeah, the back to school treat.
Yeah.
Glad she could have come out and enjoy herself, you know?
Yeah, of course, she get them challenges still.
First? Alright, and it's only Dream Team alone could have pulled her out, right?
Nobody else could have told me about
Nobody.
it. Me no want, you know?
Yeah, me understand, man.
She left on the same shop as she left on right.
Yeah, I want to have to mingle too much, you know?
Because close focus, she go upset. Friend.
And the
one
feeling
else, I want friend shop.
Faith. I was just gonna say the same thing, so Sarah with our only friend, Faith.
Yeah.
You know, while I was there, you know?
Yeah, sometimes you sleep over with her.
Oh, Faith. Yeah, man. She and Faith is like the same, you know? Yeah. Very. Faith, cause she had a little problem as well too.
Yeah, she have a heart problem.
Yeah. So I guess
sickle cell,
yeah. And then she had the cancer as well too. So them say that's kind of easy.
So, you know, we keep her happy away when she come home.
Yeah. And the two of them are the same personality.
Yeah,
two of them intelligent.
Come like them interact with them.
Yeah.
Come like a man you say with
and the two of them in the book as well. That's what I like with Faith. Faith in her book as well. Yeah. Like Shannon as well too.
Yeah, I mean I say, me love, she left on a chop where me don't want she come out because me don't want to stop this. Because she stop this, she lost.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
So she for us continue. You go and see, and right now book she in the book.
Oh, she's studying right now?
Yeah, and her history, what do you call it? History.
History?
Yeah, on the world.
Oh, yes, I send her on the history side.
Yeah. I'm sure I said to take in the atlas, she can't wrong. She will never wrong, you did?
Yeah.
She will never
like
wrong.
That. As a father, you know, putting her in the right direction.
Study the atlas. You get work everywhere at all.
Yeah.
The environments, anybody will want you. You get me?
Yeah.
Now we just keep her and make sure you know, she can read good.
No. Remember the last time we make sure read the book?
And the teacher said we just keep her the standard.
Yeah.
Don't make she drop it.
Yeah. Keep the standard.
So when school lock, we just make sure you all the Bible make sure.
To read.
Yeah, man.
But sooner or later, everything what you're doing, you're going to see that it's going to
Yeah,
pay off. And then she will literally understand the reason why you've been literally makes you
Yeah,
focus
she
on her
kind
work.
of know me, because she have that type of
Understand
knowledge,
the
yeah.
direction where you're trying to send her. Yes. And then she's going to see the benefit of it.
Yeah.
Later on in life, she's going to like the
Yeah.
benefit. And you see her kids.
Now sure I say the next 8 years, you have to thank you, daddy. So you push me, I push me well.
Of course.
See? So I look on her and tell her, I say, boy, me soon gone, so I have to left something where stand up on the earth, I have brains, you see?
I know what's going to left with her. When them time come when she have her kids, them she's going to tell the kids them how much her daddy makes you stay focused. But how you brought her up is going to move on to her generation.
Even Faith Commission, Faith, I will check out the book with her.
Faith, of course, because that's the company you want her to have.
Yeah.
So she have to also do what she's doing.
So even Faith, I will look at me in the future and say, boy, I come and you motivate me.
True.
You give me a strong motivation to come here. Because I have to read the cheap book.
Yeah. And I know you have a donor. Well, he's not new to the program, but he also he literally saw you on the program. I know he's always been watching.
Yeah.
You know, and he like the way how you're passionate and take care of the kids.
Yeah.
You know, I'm saying a donation for that. You know, because he said tears come to him eye.
Yeah.
When time you hear you speak about your daughter.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
so that kind of move him. You know, and he decided to send a donation for that. Also, you know, so I got 7,500 here for you. You know, from the person who wants to goes by a person who cares. You know, from New York.
Yeah.
You know, so from a person who cares in New York, send 7,500. You know, for you. From a person who cares.
Alright, from a person who cares to a person who cares.
Yes.
I bless and thank you for this. Yeah, and me a basket never empty, because when you give me right and I go far away, I tell you the truth. Because she have to go to school right and one. And I say, I not the whole right thing, but we have, you know, school fee and insurance to pay and everything. Because I don't pay insurance on them schools.
Oh, okay.
So I have to try to get a certain thing, the same time school open up. You can visit me.
Okay, yeah.
So I say it goes still, isn't it? So I'm glad for the person who cares still, is it? Yeah. I mean, he's a careful person, so I love how you pronounce, how you terms it.
Yeah,
a person who cares.
Yes.
Yeah. That is a person who cares.
You was an example who care for your kids.
May God bless you in the same way, yeah? Alright.
Yes, from New York.
From New York.
Yeah.
Yeah. A person who cares.
Yes.
So I tell you, big up yourself, see me, yeah? But I see what I go through, is it? So, for your heart touch you, a realness, man. Realness, is it?
Sure.
And boy, when I talk, it's coming from the bottom of my heart and say tears up on my head.
Yeah. Tears.
Cheers, is it?
Yes,
Yeah, man, I love you for that still.
Shanette, you want to thank a person who cares?
Of course, thank you, person who cares. You are actually a person who really cared, because that is really nice of you to do. And you see, you saw and you cried, and that's very nice of you, because those tears came from the heart.
Wow.
And that's really nice of you, because that is very graceful.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That is so nice of you to do.
Wow.
May God bless you. Have a blessed day.
All right, you see, it's paying off.
Yeah.
You know, so to speak intelligently. You know, like literally
Yeah, man.
meaning, you know.
Even when we say I find Shabbat, I say, no, man, Jamaica Shabbat, but you put us, no, for guy the youth, you know?
Of
Yeah,
course.
because the whole of it can't make a youth go one way.
No.
And if a person say a person, I go the same way, let's follow that person. See, but some of them not do. Mentality. I don't know what to say, you know? And when you try to you put a good word, come to a bad word. Say that if you just know some boy, you know. Just keep yourself to yourself, and you have one for guide, that's guide you. You know, so you not talk to others, you know.
Yes.
But you have to just know some boy. Just talk to your youth them. If you don't want to hear, just talk to them same way.
Yeah. Make the effort.
Make the effort. Sit down with them, talk to them. If you never want to hear you, them might see them do a wrong thing, talk to them, is it?
Same here, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Same here.
I love the person who cares still, is it?
Yeah, man, because you know we all care, so them care, we give thanks for who cares.
Yeah, man.
Right? Father for the year.
Yeah, bless up
Bless up yourself,
Thanks,
yeah? Every time. Shanette, high five. Continue to do the good work, okay? Making daddy proud. You already make him proud, so just continue to make him proud. Okay?
Seeing my dad proud is actually really something golden to see because he is a really great father and I love him so much.
Oh, that is sweet. That is sweet. That is love, you know? Trust me. Don't make me cry. Shanette, she's gonna make me cry. Thank you so much, Shanette. Bye. You know that? Yes.
Manners and respect you.
Alright, yeah, big
Right
up.
to the person who cares too.
Alright then. Wow. No, she's such a gem. You know, I'm telling you, she is such a gem. I would thank you so much for the person who cares, because you really do care, you know, you really do care. I would thank you so much. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. You know, God bless you guys. So I got a donation for Wow Chef and also for Wow Chef brother as well too. So we keep moving around, keep doing what we're doing, you know. We're here with them and them same way. Alright, come you know.
Yeah.
The one dream team, you know?
Yes, sir.
No other team but the one dream team.
Real team, you hear that?
The one realest team. We're making the difference in people's life in our community.
One team.
You know? So you see? You see all we need is unity.
Yeah,
You know?
strength. And strength is what is needed.
Of course. Is unity. Yo! All we need is unity. I will keep on standing together and make it right. Alright, yes. Wow Chef is here. Wow just come on for the work.
Yeah, man, for real, man, you know.
Just come on for the roast.
There and I just make some roast, man, you see? Blessed love.
Make some roast breadfruit happen, you know.
Yeah, man,
So we have $2,000 here for you from Will from Canada.
Will from Canada. Blessed love, you know, peace and love. So that's a will. Enough respect and blessed love. Very thank you very much. Blessed love, Will. Enough love, my brother. See?
And where you say,
Oh, Chef.
your brother not come as yet?
Yeah, no come and say him, so come. So we'll put a little rice now, you know. It's a meat, so I eat a zine.
Yeah, with some back in it.
Yeah, man, I eat that, man, you see it? I man, will big up yourself, enough respect, blessed love, and two, see me, I said, you see it?
Guys, you know, I also have one a patient as well to that. Yeah, they literally put him on the detox as well too. But his situation before, he used to have a lot of bumps on him. I did feature him already on the program. You know, when he just gonna start the detox that gave to him, you know, and whole heap of fine bump and some sort of broke out, some sort of breakout on his feet as well too. Really bad before he met Yaya. You know, and then, you know, when Yaya get to work, he gets to work. You know, so right now we can show the end result, you know, what everything is look like, because him say want to give a big shout out to Yaya, because trust me, don't be surprised, because we tell you already Yaya product them is 100% good guys, you understand? And you're gonna see this scar of what this foot used to look like, and his skin used to full of so many bumps like in face, you know, like when you have is it measles? Is it measles you have when you have the whole of fine bumps them in your face and in your eyes, and you just look away. So you may have a lot of that all over your body and in back, you know, and also it reach on his feet, you know, so that the cause him foot to break out as a bad swell. You look at it, you're like, you know, like in a throw water and burn up somebody's foot and it's been like not getting treated and look away. That's how they literally did look, you know. And now, just look how the man look right now. God. Now we have Rasta Jackson at the building. Only movie star.
Your family, big up every time, family. One love family, all the external family, big up every time. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, subscribe all the viewers, them. Big up for themselves, we love them every time. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, in the live. Huh?
That is one Rasta Jackson over there. We have Pineda himself.
Yeah, man. see it.
You know?
Man, respect man to everybody, man. You see me, I say,
Yeah.
man, you go.
Yeah. And you see also right now we have this is one of client as well too, you know. This man's a living testimony
For Yaya.
you know, for Yaya.
Really keen of telling them, I tell them myself.
Yes.
I say Yaya. He's a great man. When I couldn't deal with Yaya.
Deal with it. Yeah. Cause me that explain to them, oh, you're full of a lot of fine bumps all over your skins and everything, your face, your back, everywhere.
Everywhere.
You know, and
I'm a foot.
all his feet. See the scar. This is the scar.
I don't do nothing but because Yaya said drink enough water.
Yeah. So
Water, you have to go back to the earth. Yaya say, I'm a believer, I'm just do what I'm saying. Right now, I can tell you 100% said that man have something going.
yeah.
Respect and honor to Yaya.
Because it was on the detox package, right?
Detox package.
Yes, with all that, guys, him get the detox package to help himself, and plus him get other tips, as well to what to
I
do.
get my pills them, it work. I get my detox, it work.
Yes.
This is something I use to constant every minute, go on and come off.
It's been there for a
Been
good
there
while.
for 2 years.
2 years.
2 years hard.
Jaja.
Right now I can stand up 24 hours without feeling a pain because I medicine what Yaya have give me. And don't give me upon a killing price. Reasonable price.
Yes, yeah, of course.
Whole package you can order. Little you have to order the package.
Yeah. And just do
And
one go.
Just do one go. Detox, everything. Look at my skin.
Yeah.
I
Guys,
don't have
all
a
of this,
bump.
the bumps like some fine
Back,
bumps. Everywhere.
all over, everywhere.
Everywhere. As I say, yeah.
And the
Big up
man,
yourself.
big up yourself, yeah, again, a million times. Me now go 100,000,000%.
Yeah. So you know
Me can live now. I
Yes.
know what to do.
what to do. I know I'm gonna cut you. It's like out there, you know, and people watching the video, you know, and them hear what you say as well to, you know, giving thanks to But I know them are gonna see this and I wonder, what's wrong with this hand right
is a
here?
cyst.
It's a cyst.
And listen, they bigger than this. And tougher. You see, from me I take it. Only way it gets tougher unless I go so. When I go so, it's soft. You have to show you say it a go down. I need to repeat my medicine and continue it. And a good result me I see. Me know. You can't do it and not believe. You have to believe.
All of that as well. So you have
All
to
of that
believe.
you have to believe say it a go work.
So this is a cyst that been there for
This
a
is
long
system.
time.
Me have this more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
And feel it is tougher than this. As I can see.
It's soft now.
Soft now.
Yo!
So it's always been that
Yeah,
size?
you know it, man.
No?
Oh, but like
Bigger than this.
It was bigger.
Yeah.
And it go right down
And
now.
go right down. When I put on my shirt, it buff out so.
Oh,
And now I can put on my shirt and hide.
yeah.
Give thanks to the man, you know.
Yeah. Alright.
Strengthen the thing, you know.
So remember you have to invest in your health. You understand? Kind of matter how much problem you have in life.
Go back to the earth.
It's once you're sick, that becomes the main problem. Because you know so that can end up be your life gone, you know. So anything when you go through once you're sick, that becomes the main problem. You could have how many bills and could have so much money and house and everything and you feel like you're happy, but once you're sick, that becomes your number one problem. You know, that's why I say we have to invest in our health, and that's what I literally doing right now, invest in our health. You know, because once you're healthy, you feel good in yourself. There's no doubt about it. But you can know when you're not healthy, just not feel good. You see me, you feel the mood swing left and right, up and down. You feel down, you feel heavy, you feel sluggish. But once you're feeling healthy, man, you feel like you want to fly, man. You know, Superman fly kind of healthy. But believe, man. Believe. So,
bless up to Yaya again.
Yeah.
One more time, I can't stop calling him name.
Alright.
Great things happen for me, so I have to make you know.
Alright.
Big up again, Yaya, one Yaya, you know?
Now I'm going to check Jenna, you know, if I got a donation for her towards our project. Also, well, yes, guys, it's a lovely day. You know, the sun is out. This, you know, Jamaica sun, I don't know what going let them turn up. So, guys, to give you an update now on the Blind Brothers, yeah, because Orlando called me last night when he was leaving there. Literally, they admit Charles, you know, they admit his father. Because we knew that was going to happen because the situation that how he was. So we knew that eventually they're going to admit him, you know. So he's going back today to go and check and see how is everything going. Because they say he's going to need to do an X-ray on his chest as well too, because of the breathing and whatsoever is causing the problem. But I feel so good in myself, feel much better now for me. So at least he's in the hospital. And it was really just playing a blind game because how he was looking, I don't think I don't really understand, but he have the intention say he will get better, you know. But a situation like that, the way he was looking, he's not going to get better just like that, you know, because first of all, he's not getting much nutrition that is needed. I can say I'm suffering from malnutrition as well too. So if he's sick like that and he's not giving the right supplement to help, you know what's going to happen. So I'm glad that he's admitted, you know, that I'm taking care of him. We just keep our finger crossed and keep praying that he will come out much healthier, you know, and them don't have him in there if make things get worse. Because, you know, sometimes disease hospital in Jamaica here, when you go there, it's another story. So hopefully they're giving the treatment that he truly deserves, you know, and come out good. So he's admitted. So if anything else, we'll let you know. I'm going to ask him. Miss Gracie is still in the hospital also for over almost 2 months now since she's in there. Yeah. So that's a very long time she also in because I think them stage where she's not getting much care because of her situation. So them have to put her in our home, you know, where she can literally get looked after because of her weight and she can't move around. So she need the help, you know. So she's there and just keep her finger crossed.
Why can't mangoes?
Oh, I go on. Yeah. So no know already? Yeah. And I back on the back seat there.
Me can't get party. My phone upstairs.
Phone I care. Alright guys, so I'm literally come to drop off some from Pampas, some pull-ups for Damari. You know, because him called me and said they run out, so I just picked up some from out the storeroom and now and give him some Pampas. So when time you know say you know wash for a month.
Yeah, man.
The month are closed on this line. Look at this hour. 6 line.
Yeah.
6 line on this and it go all the way down. And you have and those lines. So I guess this is the same person who do all of this washing. This is a lot of washing, Jamaican style. So you have to make sure so your clothes are always clean for a line. Because people like me pass through camera, if you don't clean for a line, I go show. But yes, also a wash, them clothes is very clean on the line. So don't have to worry. It's clean. Damari!
Damn.
Oh, go on. Damari! Oh, go on. How would that? Big smile on face. And you turn off the fan a little bit. Fan kicking. Are the games are the fan the games allowed?
Yeah.
The game will go.
Sometimes we go down and sometimes we come up.
Okay. So I go on. I'm see you have smile on your face. I'm going to smirk on your face. You know, how's everything? Everything good?
Yeah.
You got your surprise the other day when I come?
Yeah, the laptop. Can you say it again?
What's your name again? Hold on there. Oh, my phone in the car. I literally left my phone in the car. I forgot the name of the person that sent the laptop with the knapsack for Damari's son. I forgot his name. I left my phone in the car. So you have to see with me a lot of names and people I deal with every day. So I don't quite remember. But you can just thank the extended family that sent you the bag and the laptop.
Thank you. Extended family that sent me the laptop.
It's a female, so you can say thank you, Auntie then.
Thank you, Auntie, for sending the laptop. I make the food boss never empty.
And the knapsack, right?
And the knapsack as well.
So when you came and Damari give you the bag, did you tell him what's in the bag, Damari?
Granny.
Oh, Granny. So when you hear about the laptop, you're more happy right now? So you're going to do good in school.
Better.
And make your daddy proud, you understand? Trust me, just continue to do what you're doing because it's needed. Yeah. I'm glad to say our excellent family could have reached out and take the pressure off of Damari little shoulder, you know, to get you the laptop and you have the backpack, you know, and that's also good. So thank you to our excellent family. So I can go and play a game, you know. Damari, so I bring these pull-ups here for you. Yeah. So there's some pull-ups there for you.
Thank you, my extended family. I very appreciate this pull-ups, you know.
Yeah.
Much am I.
So you get your company.
Empty.
You get your company.
Yeah. Come on, in there I play beer game. I come with this morning, man.
Oh. So more time you and us play a game together.
But game ever me want to play, no want to play that. I play roadblocks in man I play.
Roadblocks?
Yeah.
I wish game that. So new type of game.
You know, the pan phone and you see download upon the Play Store. That you play every day.
Yeah. Oh, them look a black thing there. Oh, come see the picture and watch them on TV to shoot on YouTube.
Play them game, you know, play them foolish.
No, you can't say foolish. I want him like.
Yeah, I say a foolish like for me.
Okay, and when you play a foolish
we are old school game, my brother. Them are the younger version, you know. We are the old
play football and them.
Yeah, you see me I say?
Them game, not even car game, at the point in time I want to play that.
Yeah, the man want to play a film game. You see the game I create, the man I create in Avatar, you know. So the man rather something like that he can create an avatar. The man don't want anything that.
So me have to sit down and watch him play a game, you know?
Might as well.
I just step on my phone. I extended family. I very appreciate it. I very appreciated what you much doing for me and behalf for my son, you know. Make your food basket empty.
Yeah.
Much love from my heart, you know.
Yeah, so you thanks. So remember, you don't know the thing go. I'm going to keep a post it on everything, right?
Alright.
Oh, next time I have to ask you, know, somebody message me again and say, you must check. What's wrong with your next number? Now work.
Why, my phone is black, bro. What do you mean? About 1 month back ago, my phone last for me, drop out of my bag, bro.
Yeah.
Without a door, then the wheelchair, I drive, I go up in the scheme and put my phone in the local part, in the bag. I like my rack there, and like when I go up, like rock out, forgot to put in the zip part, and rock out and drop. I like somebody see it and take it up. So I borrow me that to borrow the phone.
Okay. Alright.
But the number I call you upon is my number.
Okay.
You see me?
I'm going to save it.
Yeah.
The reason, because I got a message from one of our viewers, and him said must tell them how to check, because in the call I must check, say, and him said the school fee did pay. And the reason why I'm saying must check, because she would give them a donation to pay the school fee. So he must say you must check before you pay, you know, to see if it is already paid. But and that means you can use a Monday now when I did give to you towards the can help out with other stuff. But you say you must check first before you pay, because him say they reach out until they pay already.
So I'm going to tell him granny too.
Yeah, so make the grandma know, so she must check first or call the school and find out if it pay.
No, she not go over there, I'm going to ask her, you know, she go over there, you know.
Yeah.
When him just come, Sean and me go there, when they bring up the rental then. So me never remember for ask her, so never ask her, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, just ask her and find out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, so I'm gonna move. You go. Alright. So
Yeah.
So I'm gonna keep the posted pan while I go on, yeah? Alright, so I'm gonna head back over now to go give a donation for Jenna as well towards a project. So the man them gonna fry some chicken and chips today. Anyway, I think chicken and chips. Huh? Come on for the road. Alright guys, so I'm here with Mila the daddy and Carmel, you know, the father and the son, guys. So you know already the situation with Carmel, you know, with his heart problem and everything. So we have a donor from Canada. While I was there, you know, they gave me a donation for you as well too. You know, from Enorita. So we have a donation from Enorita from Canada. So this is 50 Canadian here for you. You ever spent Canadian before?
About one time.
One time, but this is 2 times.
Yeah.
That's 50 Canadian from Enorita from Canada.
Yeah.
So you can thank Enorita.
Thanks in Enorita. Why your name sounds so nice, we come like me can't even pronounce it so good and them look at thing there. So you see, but give thanks, you know, and thanks to the blessing, you know. You see, yeah, I love the help you know, give me, and you see, I love you know, look out for me. Yeah. Guide and protect on you know, and praise, you know. You see, yeah, I love that. Enorita, maybe a food basket never empty. Yeah, just always look out for me and everything that I give thanks to the local help and everything. Yeah.
So you can thank Enorita.
Thanks Enorita for sponsoring with the 50 Canadian dollar. I really appreciate it.
Okay. So Mila, you know anything? So how the situation with him now?
Right now the situation, it did them if I do a next test. I hit my daddy go on line up, but in September I bring him back to a doctor. So my daddy go on a line up for when the time come, bring him back to a doctor and just hopeful everything alright and everything okay. You see? Yeah. So give thanks in Enorita and them thing there, you know. Enorita is a woman, no?
Yeah, it's a woman.
Yeah. Wow, I love your name. I love it. It sounds so nice, yeah.
That's Enorita.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Yeah, so give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, big.
Thanks again.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks, Enorita. We thank you so much, you know, from Canada, you know, from Scarborough. Big up yourself, Enorita, and thank you for the donation for the family. You know, you think it's nothing but love and love alone. So yeah, so guys, you know, we're gonna go see Jenna now and give her donation as well to that we got towards our project, you know, from one of our unknown, you know, from the UK, you know, one foundation. So you know, you think go, bless her love. Oh, go on, are you a sweep up? I know you, I must Jenna sweep up. I burn up, you know? Burn the rubbish after. Well, I know if you get your mansion decent every day. You know? Jenna go and brush up the yard and things as you can see. Oh. Yeah. How are you doing to the people in the yard, yeah?
Goods in the carry.
Goods are carrying?
Yeah.
So give me something out of the money where you make now, no?
No make no money, this not run going on.
Boy, you carry goods and you make money, man. Give me something, man.
Yeah.
You not share. Take, give me a drink now, take.
Yeah.
Yes. Jenna. Boy, you smoke bad. Come out of the smoke. Yeah. You stay right there so the smoke I kick up wicked. Yes, Jenna, somebody I pass through a donation here for you from one of our unknown. You know, the unknown here is an original man as well too from Trenchtown, you know, that lives in the UK. You know, and from here, I tell you, one of our unknown. You already know who. I don't have to say 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, or 100. You already know who is that person. This is one of our unknown, you know, that literally always been donating on this program for our start from Gin up until now. You understand? And unknown, big up yourself. You know yourself. You know the thing, God. We thank you so much, you know. Blessings, my general, because you never stop giving back to your community. You know what I say? This is one of the men that's always giving back to his community because he's here from Trenchtown, living in the UK, and him always giving back on this program to his community. So big up yourself, unknown. You know, thank you for the blessing. Thank you for looking out for Jenna, you know, because I know she is well deserved it. You know, so one Jenna, so you can thank unknown.
Yeah, man. One unknown, you know yourself already, you know. Just big up yourself and thank you very much. You see me? Appreciate everything where you do. And here's you do it. You always do it. Just big up yourself. May your food basket never empty. Love and love only unknown. One unknown. Big up yourself. Straight.
Alright, so unknown, this is $40,000 year dollar towards a project from unknown from the UK.
Thanks again, unknown. Big up yourself again.
Yeah.
May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. And thank you very much again. Appreciate it.
So count it.
Thank you very much.
Count it, so it's 40,000.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. Thank you, unknown. Holy patterns.
Give thanks. So Jenna, you know we're going to fry some chicken and chips. You eat chicken and chips, right?
Wow. An idea?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So
wash me, so I go wash off and company ends, you know.
Yeah, we have some.
Go and sweep every place, you see.
Yeah. So we're fry. Wash up a lot of chicken and chips. Chicken and out already. Everything already seasoned up. So chicken and chips, you know say.
Alright, before them come around me, you just eat the chicken and chips and go in.
Yeah. Because you're not under curfew. Yeah. Alright then, Jenna, you know the thing goes, yeah?
You know the thing, Genius.
Alright then.
Alright.
Whoa, you know, so guys, so here we have the coal here. You know? Original Jamaican coal, we have the wow chef.
Yeah, man, yeah,
That's about the no chef.
Yeah, man, see, we can't get the thing lined up, you know, one thing, you see?
So guys, so we have some original way. Coal.
Chip tonight, chip. Yeah, to catch it up fast and pitch pint, you know? Yeah. Catch it up fast, you see me, I said?
Alright, so.
Just for fire.
Yeah. So guys, so here we have some chicken in the building. Some chicken here. Still I pull out some chicken right there, same way. Frozen, you know. And we have some chips, same way. You know. And fried piece of sliced fish as well too. So see the sliced fish here we're gonna fry up. You know, so you know chicken and chips is the England style we have the pinedo. So the chips, I have my chips with the vinegar. You never tried that way, right? Vinegar. That's how we have it in England. The chicken, the fish and chips, vinegar and the chips with the ketchup. Yeah, I'm gonna make it try.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go surprise.
You have to make all of the things, man. Yeah, man, you have to make all of the things.
With the vinegar and the chips, yeah. But the chips what them use is Irish potato itself. The chunk one them, I them use. Not these little thin ones.
Yeah, man.
It's the Irish potato itself.
Yeah, man. Cause them one thicker.
Yeah, the chunk one them use. We're there, I'm gonna fry some fish and chips, chicken and chips.
Chicken and chips.
Yeah. So chicken and chips for the elders today. And we have some kids gonna get some as well. Just fry the fish in a little bit of flour.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. So the man them get jealous the other day because kids are eat chicken and chips. And them say, but we can eat chicken and chips too. Yeah. So we say, alright, then the kids them have for them treat, now a full time for treat. This is our back to work, back to project treat. Some chicken and chips back to Project 3. Whoa, you know now see the chicken in the pot there. Right. Chicken we are fry. So guys, they're gonna fry some and jerk some.
Yeah, man.
So these are the fry ones, right?
Yeah.
So these ones they're gonna fry and they're gonna jerk some. So jerk and fry. Oh yeah. Yo, put your bucket there. Jerk and fry.
Jerk and fry. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I one team, man. You see? We never stop doing something here. You see me as a Akeynote, you never stop to that something.
No, never.
You're blessing the we over some of them newish part of the land, you know.
Yeah.
You see?
We over one part.
Yeah, we over one part.
Almighty land there.
Them say, oh, God bless.
No
man curse. You get me?
Yes.
We'll pass the worst.
Long time.
So we're there at the place I go and hold the thing, is it? Boy, whoa.
Yeah. Anyway, if we never strong long time,
yeah,
we'll end up running left this program.
So the program still there, although more time some of the people them not see me, but me hear same way. You get me? Make my voice be heard.
Yes, sir.
You see it? And we say a one team, you know.
Yeah.
A dream team.
The only real team.
The
only real team.
And Akeynote, big up you on the team. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Big up everybody who for big up. And big up all of the donor them who do the maths.
Yeah.
Set speed.
Never
big
stop.
up everybody, you know. Everybody with dip on the program. And still I watch the program because I'm on my block and I see a woman draw down and say, no, you did the Akeynote program. I say, yeah, I'm still up on the program.
I look at who that.
Light Parks.
See another face them down see for a long while.
Light Parks.
See another face them down see for a long while.
Light Parks.
Well,
jump in off I work and stop down a baby and get one piece of fish.
Yeah.
And also one dream team that's too.
Beer and fish.
Long time them don't see this face. Light Parks, where you been?
Working.
Out the community.
Working.
Guys,
in the work.
And he's not even in the community again, you know.
Yeah.
But like you know, say Jenna project next one we go start pan, you know, so.
I already tell my ear about it and
yeah.
I will be there.
Yeah.
Father.
Angela, man.
Angela.
Yeah.
Oh, Angela.
Yeah, man. Tell them, man. Our Jenna.
Yeah. From a Angela thing and our thing, you know. And say, and me now go put a hand in a foot. We go put you know.
Yeah.
See, from a Angela thing, a family thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Which some people don't know, you know. Me Angela family, you know.
Blood family. Yeah.
Serious. We are a family by my mother's side. You get me?
And you see, me never know that.
See?
Yeah, what me part? Whoa, you know. Chicken are pretty.
Yeah.
So wait there, all some look so pretty and some look. I was going with that one.
After I throw something like that, I didn't want to force me season for you know.
So chef, a two different color chicken you have a wagwan. One band different.
Egg powder and one without.
No, you know, so chunks, the first set, me flour them up, you know, and then after I go for the egg powder and chew in it, you know. Okay. So this is the first one me put in.
Okay. So chef, you make a mistake. What happened? Tell them what happened.
Yeah.
You make a beef steak, tell them what happened.
It's not a mistake or it's a beef steak, you know. We do something wrong. We think them like flour first. Me season it up with season already, you know. Mix up season, but we never put the egg powder in it. So me season up and throw them how much? About 3 or 4 pieces me put in there. I see it now, I go for egg powder and season up the rest of them and throw them in the but. I try to do the color are different.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
So them band different.
Yeah, so when I barbecue, I wanna they call it.
Yeah. When I barbecue, I want a curricue.
And barbecue, isn't it? Yeah, man.
When I curricue, I want a barbecue.
I tell them, man.
Good, man.
I'm about to tell you if we get local post of some in the truck. I put it just on the goose.
Yes, sir.
And go and smoke some, yeah?
So, chef, one barbecue and one never queue.
Yeah, that one, you know. One barbecue
and one never queue. Yeah. So
go and see him here, man.
Yeah, you can go and see him here. One barbecue and one never queue.
And that catch a color, man.
Well, if you not catch now, it not catch later.
I catch a color, man. See me.
So it will work.
Yeah, man, it will work. What call you now?
What one call? Gio. One barbecue and one never queue. Come look what I go on over here. One barbecue and one never queue.
Alright, so you know, so what I want, white chicken.
No, and then them never queue.
Never, no, I want to never queue. Never barbecue, yeah. So
that's a barbecue and
never queue. So I try. This is the barbecue, and this is never queue, you know.
So we are going to know. How you going to fix that Italian?
Yeah, that never do it now. So
how you going to fix that Italian?
How you going to fix that?
Make it get some color.
Oh, make it brown.
Yeah, brown it up.
No, not that way there.
So we are going to do that.
Now get some color upon it, man, Jim, man.
And make it stay longer.
Yeah, no, not really longer, but I tell the Jim.
Oh, that's.
Yeah, me tell you, man, I understand what kind of.
What you going on?
I know me can't understand what go on, Gio.
We get a package here for you.
You get a package, alright, then you can.
Look a package here.
Alright,
no, that go on. You know, some seeds up the flour.
I forgot to put that on it.
Yeah, but see the flour, I got throw them 4 pieces in the pot.
No.
Now
what that side I got use? No, don't put that in here though.
A simple thing, I know.
But the measure for this one, this mash out. Egg powder, yeah.
Yeah.
So the flour is done.
No, the flour I'm choosing, man.
But the first set, the egg powder.
No, the second set of the egg powder.
Second set, man. First set me chew him, never put some 4 pieces in there.
Two different.
No, man, that's why I'm telling you.
So one
the first one, I never use egg powder on it, you know. And then we go for egg powder and show them flour and seeds up everything.
Man are cooking different, you know.
Yeah, so one never queue and one barbecue.
That's not, man.
Him not use egg powder and I use egg
Alright, so Gio putting on some of the blend up seasoning for the jerk.
Pimento seed, ginger, scallion, thyme. Yeah. Blend him up, huh?
Yeah.
Eat that jerk taste there, guys. Without this, now the other jerk taste no matter where you do it. Yeah. You have walkers in it and a couple more. But we like make our own at home. Yeah.
After you have the blend up seasoning,
yes.
I have to
blend up.
So see the now, the barbecue. What chef catch color, man?
Catch color, yeah, man. Catch color, man.
Oh, chef did it.
You know?
The guys, he did it to catch color.
Catch color, man. See there?
Yeah, to catch the color. You can't tell the difference, man.
Yeah, you see. And just like them piece I never have on this, you see them just catch color and everything.
Yeah, so catch a little color now, so it's good. Right now, this is the jerk. The jerk fire them are set up right now. This is the oven. So them gonna put some on this the jerk, you know, and go and fry out the rest of the chicken right there, and them gonna go and jerk some on this thing right here. Jerk, so G I gonna jerk that, so right here. Fries. Starlight.
Straight out of China, you know.
Blue light.
Pretty light, you.
Pretty light.
Remember them, when you used to name it Starlight. Yeah, when I light the Starlight, I say it look.
This is how it looks.
Jeez. Yeah. No. Alright. Fire up. Jeez. Look at that. Starlight. Christmas. Alright, so do you put in on the jerk? Make it work.
Yeah, man.
That jerk really bossy.
Yeah, man.
When you put coal in it.
Straight from out of England, you know?
Yeah, from out of England.
Yeah.
So how long this will take for jerking? Good jerking quick?
20
Yeah, man.
20 minutes?
And the fire up and
But I still tell him about this, not cut it, man. Tell him about this, man.
Yeah.
Chunks ball, jerk chicken and I get enough.
Yeah.
Ball. See what man say, but do my that.
So that's how we lock it down.
Yeah. So lock down this now. Yeah. Can lock it down by next side, but should the table right there, so.
Okay.
So you know, say if it turn over, it now go spill.
Now go spill.
It go still in there, so it go good.
So imagine here, this is something you can walk with while it's jerking.
Yeah. Walk.
You can walk with it while it's jerking.
For sure. Look on it. The body's jerk on the line.
Walk with it now while it's jerking.
Yeah,
the only walking jerk pan. Yeah. Imagine you walk and food a jerk.
Oh, the lifestyle moment.
Yeah. You're walking and food is jerking.
The dream team have everything. Everything we have.
That's the walking jerk, you know?
Yeah. So all of the viewers and subscribers will come on.
No. Put it over, sir.
Put it back. That is how it was.
Yeah. Set it back on the same.
Same way, sir.
I'm going to keep back some of this other part, man.
I want it good, man. Like, did it flat.
Fire.
Blaze it up.
Yeah, man. Cheers. Run in advance, you know.
So when Christmas come and it's New Year, just light up the fire and just use that and blaze it up. One word me. Pass up there, but them say what?
Yeah, line up something and line.
Oh.
Catch the cops and move away. They may have an extra hour.
Yeah, can I on a curfew early?
Early. Yeah. Can make sure tell them to squad here one top one. Alright, so they are going in the party, they're going to say, come on, I say, alright, so I go put it in the yard. When they pass inside the yard, they still have your red caps. And then that woman will come on and the policeman, they say, you come here, you want to have. You know what them are crowd up here, so make them go away. But you treat you on that woman, say something. Easily the most get that video.
Yeah. Because you know we have chicken and chips over here for you. Vegan chicken, yeah? We have vegan chicken. Have to put some of the seasoning on the flour.
Red one.
No, how can I red seasoning?
Yeah, which one? The back one.
Yeah.
Oh, Marty, all right.
Quite deep, right? Where the mesh there, have mesh.
Yeah.
Put the mesh on top.
Yeah, man, have mesh.
Louisiana chicken this no Italian spike chicken. Chef about to change now. What do you? Nobody have the same color now.
Yeah, but blending now.
Hey man, you know my hair. Big chef for you, you know.
guys see the chicken and chips is ready. One big pan of chips is ready. Over here you have some jerk come out. More jerk in. Chicken here is ready. Ready. Yeah.
Unless white plate, then I go 2 today, you know.
Answer the fish.
Yeah, then it's in, I go 2 white plate.
Ready, so I'm having fish and chips.
Watch this.
Fish and chips.
No,
See the guys, the fish and chips. Fish and chips. I got some vinegar on mine. I'm gonna put some vinegar with the fresh. So I got some vinegar.
Chips and the button and bag, you know.
Sit down and go in and do. Fish and chips. Where's all them?
I want my file here.
Where is that the boy? Yo, don't say Rasta, but we're not fully Rasta, you know. Do some talk on me, bro. Where's all them? Where's all them?
The fish are too, eh?
It's all done?
No, man, it's back inside there, so man.
Where?
I should have shit back.
I know you're Rasta, but we're not fully Rasta. Come take a pic of your own.
Yeah, look at me a piece of chicken.
Chicken and chips there today. One year was the back to school treat for the kids. Now it's back to treat for the dream team members there. It's a back to school treat for them and them.
See black plate is up guard up.
So the other day was a back to school for the kids. Now it's back to the project for dream team. Chicken and chips.
Real man like small chips.
How much? Good now, good man. Good?
It's not done, man.
No.
Yes,
nothing.
Ketchup there, bro.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, if you told them that. Just make a Rasta just to get film fish.
No, I eat my meal like man. Rasta just can get it, man.
Yeah, and Rasta just to get his fish. Remember Esther want chicken and chips.
The 5 people done. Chunk, see how it's a 5 people for me.
Start to a piece for Esther.
Dave.
Ah, okay. Yeah, chicken. Start up here, Joy.
Yeah, man, I like food. I got some cat there.
The team are going a weekend, you know.
Boy,
Yeah, man, some of those people dealing. Some of the dealing, some of them are dealing, Joe. Done, check up. Fine, done.
Put some face there.
Yeah, man, see that?
Put chicken pan down. Never want to get in the hand.
Boy, that's finally 2 weeks you can tear it, you know.
Banana. Wow, little girl.
Chicken on plate, Yaro. Chicken on enough plate, too. Yeah, man, come on, see chicken.
I deal with that.
I'll fish today.
No, man, chicken. 5 people in the day, you know.
Oh, 5 people done.
Yeah.
Alright, chicken and chips, lock down the place. Oh yes, good. Let's get in chicken and fish and chips, chicken and chips. Everything empty. Shell love. Guys, something so it's something different. My name is chicken and chips and fish and chips. So yeah, that went down well. That went down well, guys. So you know the thing goes. So yes, guys. So blessed love. So hope you're having a wonderful day. Anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from, Dream Team, One Team, anywhere thing goes, the only real team. You know, blessed love.
More. 2 pieces. Which one? Them pieces. 2 pieces.
Give me.
Yeah, 2 pieces.
Reason being I chew me no want them burn up, you know.
I'm going to piece of chocolate, man.
No, I don't think I'm going to do that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we see it.
So,
Where they for the party?
it's a boom this. Boom, be a thing.
Oh, how that plane look so?
Arsenal can't how that plate look like a Gunners plate.
Gunners plate, this house look so.
Emirates plate that. Championship plate. Get that.
It's a Gunners plate.
If I say Sunday dinner.
Yes, a Sunday dinner.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
You get all of it.
Yeah, man.
See that one wow chef, you know?
You get all right.
What you know? Wow chef have? It's a scandal bag of food.
No, man, genius.
Yes,
you know.
God, gosh. I went that for the last
wake up in the morning. Wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
Just want to go look a piece and get a piece of bread. Because most of the chips are eat the back piece of chicken.
Yeah.
Piece of the bread.
Yes.
And do so. We can put our peas, we keep going boil.
Yeah.
And then we go up, so we go on.
Yeah.
So we work up at Easter church, you know.
What you have?
Yeah,
One.
man. Whoa, chef. Whoa. Watch your face, man. I'm saying I done it, you know. Do you soak up more jerks?
More jerks.
This are those Saturday night, you know, the man wants the Sunday, Monday, so this not.
And this are Orias, the boss.
Yeah.
Let me go and pull it up. Can you show him?
Yeah, what I mean?
Pull some of that tree.
Orias bowling on.
It looks so classy. Fried chicken, jerk chicken, and fish.
Orias are even like a man.
Yeah.
No, you cannot.
Somebody
You
like
don't want
a
to
man.
think for the camera, you want the chicken up for the
Like a man.
Yeah, like a man. A man is just a man. That is Orias. The mist is the mist. A man is just a man. So
Yeah.
I live like a man.
Yeah, man.
Please and give worm it.
Oh, wormy, don't forget wormy.
Yeah, man.
If you don't want the chips, just one piece of the chicken.
Man, I need a piece of the jerk
Yes, I'm
chicken.
done. We'll chop it up and leave him.
Yeah. And Jackson will put away. Jackson will put away, man. Alright, guys, you know the thing though. Just a love dream team. One team. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.